Hey guys, I'm April. I'm talking to you guys about this cool, neat product that I got today. From Vicks, it's SweetDreams Cool Mist Humidifier from Influenster. I logged on to their website and just signed up and did a couple of surveys, and they've selected me to try out this humidifier. And I got it today, so I'm excited. So I'm supposed to show you guys what is the unveiling, I guess, of how to, how you get this product or whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around so y'all can see what I got in the mail, and hopefully you guys are able to use it as well. Okay, so this is the box. I just opened it. SweetDreams Cool Mist Humidifier, and when you open it, it's got these little protector cardboard things. And I opened it backwards. Got it. Let's see what's in here. Some more. Looks like a refill pad. And instruction manual. And it looks like it came with some coupons on the inside. So box to the side. It's gonna be a little hard to do with one hand. Let's see if we can manage. Alright, it's going. Ah, victory! Yeah. Alright, so there's the item. There's the humidifier. It looks like it's got 3 light settings: elephants, dolphins, and stars. It's like a little projector. This is where the the humid is gonna come out. It's pretty neat. Cool. Hope y'all like this product and go out there and get it yourselves. Thank you for watching. Appreciate ya. Bye.